Hello guys, welcome back to CompoLab building series. In yesterday's video, we have built this section, orbit section, where our React logo and Tailwind logo rotates and surround the orbit, and we have text heading, and we have description and points, bullet points. In today's video, we are going to add another one section below this that is going to be a features card. That is, it will be like four cards. It will have a heading, it will have a description, then it will have a four cards. So let's start building it. Let's open our code base, then open components on landing, create new file called features. features dot .sh, features. Then RAFCE. It is going to be a React snippet. Then I'm going to make it as a features section. Features section. Yep, it is perfect. Then I am going to import this in the app page.tsx. Next, I am going to import that. Import the sections. We need to use below this. We are using features section. So let's write right here using features. Yes. Let's see. Now you can see here, you can see the features. It is coming in. You can see in the below. It is in the below. You can see now here. So let's start building it. First, we are going to import container. We need container to maintain the uh, max width of the page. So let's import container. Then we need to wrap container here. Container. Next, we are going to add a. I'm changing the name from div to section. Then I'm going to add a class name for it. On the top, I'm going to add class name. Class name. It is going to be, what shall I add? Shall I add margin or shall I add padding? I'm going to add padding 12, I think. Padding 12. Then in container, we will have first div. It is going to be a heading. Then we will have another one div that is for features, cards. So here we are going to add in cards. Then here we will have heading. Now we need to create a features array. So I have already built this, but let's copy the features array. First we need to import the icons. So let's import it. To set React. Let's copy. Then we need this here array also. This array has a 4. So let's install that. First we need to import the icons. First I'm going to import it. Yep. Now I have imported the icons which we have needed. Then, yeah. Then I'm going to create a features array. Now I'm going to copy features array. I'm going to copy it from here. From here, it is going to be a feature array. Going to copy it. First features here. Let's copy. Then export. Then paste it here. Now we have features array 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see we have 4 features. It is going to be a mouse pointer for the first icon. Then we have title. Then we have description. Like that, we have four. We are going to map here in the cards. Then we will have heading. So first, we are going to add heading. I'm going to copy the heading also. You can see the heading. Wait. Yep. So you can see we have heading. Heading is going to be a build for the real front end work. So let's copy this. I think I will copy full H2 only. It is going to be easy development. Yep, I have copied the H2 entirely. What will have MD416 max? So let's open VS Code. Next, I'm going to paste the H2. Let's format document. So H2 is completely ready. So let's view the preview how it is looking. Now you can see build for the front end work. It is looking nice, but it is not in the center. I think we don't need it in center also. It is perfect. Its max width is perfectly alright. So it is fine then. Next, I'm going to add description. We will have paragraph. So let's copy the description. Then paste it. You can check it out. I have given the link in the description for the CSS, which you can copy and paste, or you can add any uh, dummy features. It is going. This project is mainly it is going to be mainly focused on UI, not on the functionality. So we have description also. Let's add match with Google. Let's see how we do it. Let's let's- so it looks if it is perfect. So Excel is looks crazy. So far, I think it also given that to Excel. That's what it's going to be to Excel. It will have margin bottom of 60. Yeah, we need margin bottom because after description we need cards, right? That's why we need margin bottom. It will be 60. Margin bottom is going to be 60. It is perfect. Now we need to look through the cards. So let's do that. But I think still we need to do something. We have cards. Next, we will add motion later. First, we are going to add the main card. Our div is going to be class name is going to be grid. Grid calls 1, and in MD we will have grid. Grid calls 2, and gap is going to be 8. So let's do that. And we need to features dot map. Then we are going to features and I. Then we need to create a icon. Then we need to return the response. It is going to be a div. Then we will have key. Then we will give it later. We are going to do it later. Motions. Then we will have class name, rounded Excel, border, then 50 BG card, padding 6, then shadow small. That's it. Then we will have another one for the icon. It is going to be wait first div. Yep. First div is perfect. Then we will have under that we will have another one div for the icon. Then another div for the title. I think title or description. Okay. Item features or title. Then we will have features or description. We are going to copy and paste it directly. Then we will have motion div. Then we will have another motion div. Wait. Why we need for this? I understand it for this. Until okay. For the whole card also I have added the motion. Okay, that's cool. Yeah. So let's add that. Now I am going to create the card's content. So let's put a card. Then I'm going to add a class name, class name. Then I am going to add a grid. Then I'm going to add a grid calls 1. Then in MD, I'm going to add grade calls 2 and gap is going to be 8. So it is perfect. Then we are going to map to the features of array. Features of map. Then we will have features from a index. You can say whatever you want. Then so, it is yes. Next I'm going to declare here cost icon. Icon is going to be features dot icon. Then we are going to return a div and then we will have div for that div. We need to add a key. Key is going to be. I think I have index. So I am going to give it index. Not index D or something. Then we are going to add a h1 and h2 and icon. So let's copy and paste that. So let's open. I am going to copy this icon. Let's copy that. I think I'm going to copy the entire this paragraph and the icon. It is going to be cool. Then copy, then paste it. Let's format document. Format feature FE8 feature drop description. Wait is not features dot map. Features text will be const. I think something is wrong. Let me see. You can see we have features dot map. Then features combine. Then we are going to everything is correct. Right? I'm doing right, but I don't know why it is. Yeah. I think error is in the feature. Yeah, now we can see in the map, we need to add this system. We need to add that rocket. We need to close. I think before this, before this, this is going to be a return. Then there will be this. Yeah. Now our return is completely ready. I think. Let me see. Now you can see features dot map. Then it is going to be a features and ideas. It means index. Then it is going to be a raw bucket. Then it becomes transfer to be a features. Then we will have div key is going to be index. Then we will have icons div. Then we will have paragraph div. Your feed what have given features. We need feature only feature. We need only feature. Now we have now it is perfectly alright. So let's see the demo. It is like it is not very good, but let's see. Now you can see we have got a features perfectly. We have one product, second product, like that. Next, what we need for what we need to add. Let's see. Our product section is completely ready. I think feature section. Let's see. Then what we need. Shall I need to add motions or drawing? I'm thinking of it. Should I add or let's add only motions for the inner cards. Let's add that. Let's open straight container. Next, add section. We have container. Guys, now you can see we have motion div for the outer cards div. So I'm going to add that. Let's copy that. Initial is going to be a hidden, then wait. We don't need until class name. We are going to copy this much. Only a motions. Then we are going to copy this motion. It is going to be key. We have okay, variant is good. We are going to copy only a variant and view when view, then while over, then transition. Okay, then we are going to copy that. First, we are going to import the motion. I'm going to import motion. Before that, we need to convert this component into a use line component. Then we need to import motion. Import motion. Import motion from motion here. Then we need to convert the card cards in card div into a motion div. So let's do that. We're going to be motion div. Yeah. Now our div converted into a motion div. Now I am going to add a motion. So let's see how it is look like. Let's try to refresh. Nothing is happening. I think let's refresh. Maybe it's nothing is happening. Let's add for that this cards. So let's add. I'm going to copy that. Here we need to copy that. We have class name. I think class name is added. Just we need to add this motion. Only a motion variant. Let's copy. Then I'm going to open our code base. Let's add for this. We need to convert this into a motion. So let's convert motion. Then we are going to after key. After key, I'm going to add that motion. So let's format document. Then I am going to copy a class name also. We don't have class name for that. Class name copy. Then go to there. Then I'm going to paste that. Yep, now we have all emotions. I have added the motions also. So let's see. It will look better. Let's try to refresh. Guys, now you can see we have very good animations. It is going to be a better. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this and you have built the features card section and better animation. So I hope you like this. In next video, we are going to do another one. So hit the like button and subscribe. Let's meet in the next video.